Hello guys, in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to design a 3D logo using pixellab and photopea, and without wasting time we can just start the graphics now. So let's start with a blank. The first thing I start by adding a sticker here, and the sticker that I'm going to use today is this one. After adding it like that, come to erase color. Enable it, then increase the tolerance a bit to about 20. That's good. Then the second thing we shall add is now the text. We shall write here in capital letter Alvar. Then click OK, then just bring it somewhere here. And then increase the text size to around, I think that's better. Then give it a black color. Then I think now we should deal with the font. The font we are going to use today is Alvar Face Regular, this one here. It's quite impressive now. I think let me reduce the size a bit. Somewhere there. This one is okay. Then I should just duplicate it and bring in another text. The text will be graphic. Just give it a small dash. Then design. Graphic designs. Done. Then this graphic design we should reduce the size a bit. I think that's better now. That's okay. Then come to padding here, increase a bit the left side. And the right side also a bit. Then just come and align it somewhere. Now we should just give this a color, and the color I'm going to give it is a red color. This color is okay. That's okay. The same color I'm going to give this text here. That's okay now. Yes, I want us to do it. Then I'm going to bring in another text. Edit that text. This text now will be home of graphics. I think graphics. That's done. Okay. Then this graphics also I'll give it a black color. You need this color. Yes, that's okay now. Font. Let me go with that just to. I need this one here called Alex Brush Regular. It's quite good now. Then just give it good look now. Then come to the spacing. Just want to increase the word spacing, not the letters but the words. I think that's good now. I just want to align them with the graphic design. So I think that's quite good. I shall just come here to the size, increase it a bit. I think that's good now. Come to position, reduce the pixels, then align it. It's good now. So I think this graphic I should just take it up a bit. Then this one's a bit. It's now okay. Now the next thing I need to import here is from the gallery the apps now, the logos. first one I'm going to add is a YouTube logo. Just chrome it just somewhere there. Yeah, that's good now. Yeah, click OK. Just reduce its size. Come to the relative size. Reduce the size, then add to about 2 to 3 there about. I think this one should be about 3 or even 2. Yeah, I think 4. Yeah, that's okay. Then using a tool, position tool, just bring it somewhere here. I think this place is so good. Reduce the pixels to line it well. Yeah, that's good now. So in front of the logo we shall add Alvar graphics, because that's the name of the channel. Yeah, come to edit, write Alvar graphics, and then give it a black color. We're going to color black, the sharp black. Yes, then come to font. Yeah, then just give it this called blogger symbol. Yeah, this one is okay. Then come to size. Reduce the size. No, reduce the size to about. Yeah, that's good. Just increase it a bit. That's well. Then position it. Yeah. Then a bit. I think that's good now. Again, I'm going to import another logo from the app. Yeah, I think this one is good. Instagram logo. Chrome it well. Chrome it. Yeah, that's good now. Reduce its size. I just come to the relative size. Reduce it. Then just add it a bit to around 4 there about. I think that's good. Then increase the pixels, then position it now. Yeah, reduce it. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Yeah, that's good. Let me just position it a bit. No. Yeah, reduce the pixels. Yeah, I think that's better now. Then come to this, copy it to avoid wastage of time. Then just bring it here. Align it using the position tool. Yeah, somewhere there is a bit. Yeah, let me just. Yeah, I think that's good now. Then the last app I'm going to bring, the last app logo is Facebook. Crop it well. Yeah, I think somewhere there. Yeah, that's good now. Reduce its size using the relative size. Yeah, I just want it to be at 4 thereabout. Using the position tool, position it well now. Yes, somewhere. Yeah, reduce it, then align it. Yeah, somewhere there. We're almost bet now. Yeah, somewhere like that. Then we shall now take this, copy it, then bring it on front of the Facebook logo. Yeah, after bringing it there, let's just use the tool to align it also. Just bring it back a bit. Now it's closer. come to the layers, group this one, you can just match them. Yeah, this one, the logo and their names, then match them, click OK. They will be now S1. You can now just move them. This whole, yeah, I think that's good. Bring it up a bit. Yeah, that's good now. Then this form of graphics also, bring it up a bit. Yeah, bring it up a bit. Yeah, to avoid big spaces. Yeah. Yes, you can see now it's starting to bring a good look. So I will just group these ones and just merge them together. This one, this one, this one, and the name. Just merge them together. Yeah, you can now see the great look now. Then bring this off factor. Just want to align it well. So lock this one. So with this one, let us just position it well to give it an impressive look. Yeah, I think somewhere. Let me just rotate it a bit. Yeah, that's good. Then just position it. Bring it down a bit. Increase the pixels down a bit. Yeah, somewhere there we are heading there. Yeah, something like this now. To eliminate that one, then come to the layers, merge them, click OK. Now we have all of it as one graphic now. Increase its size, then come and position it in the middle. Now we are almost now over. Then come to the background, give it a transparent look. Wow, it's now so very fantastic now. Then come to download, export the image as a PNG to gallery. Yeah, it's now exported. Now we'll go to the photopea, and now in photopea come to templates, allow it to load. Now to template, now scroll downwards to search for a very good one that we want to use today. We are going to use this one here. Just click on the link for it to open. Now here it has already opened. Come to the layers, double tap on this small square where it's written place your logo here. After double tapping it, just close that there, then come to open and place. Yeah, to open and place, you're going to use this one. Yes, you can see it's already there. So yeah, just come here to place a smart object. Double tap. Yeah, already is placed. Then come and click on this mockup on the other side and allow it just to load for a moment. And now, as you can see, our logo is complete. Now just come to download, export as. You can now use anything you want. Maybe we'll use as JPG, and now save. Give it time to, and then open to see our work. And here is our work. So guys, just appreciate my work by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. May God bless you.